Do you need to change your custom profile URL and the Airbnb? Let me show you how easy it is to do so. So click the three lines on the upper right hand side and go to your account settings, guys. Then go all the way down again to the professional hosting tools. Now this URL that you see here is the URL for my page. And I'm going to open up a new tab here and I'm going to show you how that actually looks. So let me copy that real quick. Head over to Airbnb, go ahead /p and then enter the page right there and click on send, and you'll see that it takes me over to my page. It's going to also change it a bit, but that's perfectly fine. You know that the URL works, but in case you want to change this to whatever you want, you can simply change it by putting whatever you want. So if I don't want to say Drew Toots Rentals, I can say Drew Toots Apartments, right? And go ahead and click and save again. So once you start to make it, then you'll have this option here and it's going to ask you pop up that says save and replace custom URL. You said yes, click and save, and it's going to update it for you guys. And that's how you basically update or change your custom URL page on your Airbnb account. And that's really it.